There is a particular kind of magic that happens at the intersection of chaos and order. A daily negotiation that plays out in the heart of a home, especially one filled with wonderful, strolling energy of children. It is the landscape of play, a territory marked by brightly colored blocks, well-loved stuffed animals, and a constant creative mess. And in this landscape, the furniture we choose must do more than simply fill a space. It must serve as a quiet ally, a patient guardian, and a keeper of peace. This is the profound dual role of the wooden toy storage bench, a piece that understands that the business of childhood is both boundless imagination and the gentle lesson of putting things away. Imagine a simple sturdy bench. Its form humble and honest. It sits against a wall, perhaps under a window, a promise of rest and respite. But beneath its seated surface lies a secret world, a hidden dimension of order. With the lift of a lid, or the slide of a drawer, or the swing of a door, it reveals its true purpose. This is not a chest of forgotten things, but a home for the most active participants in a child's world. The transformation is everything. In one moment, it is a quiet piece of furniture, a place to sit and tie a shoe, to read a story, to watch the rain. In the next, it is a repository of dreams, a cave of treasures, swallowing the chaos of the day and restoring a sense of calm to the room. This is the first gift it gives, the gift of transition, the visual and emotional shift from active play to quiet restoration. And the material, the wood itself, is what elevates this from a mere container to a timeless heirloom. Plastic bins have their transient utility, but they lack a soul. A wooden bench, however, has a presence. It has warmth that radiates into the room, a tangible organic solidity that grounds the space. It speaks of permanence in a world of constant change. This is a piece that can witness the entire arc of a childhood, from the first teething ring to the complex Lego kingdoms of later years. The wood will remember. It will acquire its own history, a small scuff from a toy car, a faint crayon mark that was mostly wiped away, the gentle patina from years of small hands lifting the lid. These are not flaws, they are the gentle rings in the tree of your family's life, recorded in the surface of the wood. The character of this quiet guardian is shaped profoundly by the species chosen to build it. Imagine a bench crafted from pine, a wood so often associated with beginnings. It is soft both in color and to the touch. Its grain often punctuated by dark, expressive knots that look like eyes watching over the room. A pine bench feels friendly, approachable, and forgiving. It is a wood that doesn't intimidate, it invites touch and use. It will wear its history of dings and dents with a kind of cheerful pride, becoming more charming with each passing year. Then there is the bright, resilient strength of maple. A maple toy bench would be a best station of cleanliness and order. Its fine, often subtle grain and light creamy color bring a sense of calm and clarity to a space. This is a wood known for its incredible durability, for standing up to the enthusiastic assaults of playtime without losing its composure. It is the practical, optimistic choice, a piece that seems to say, we can keep things tidy here. And for a sense of depth and warmth, one might consider the rich, soulful tones of cherry or walnut. A bench in cherry wood seems to gather the light in the room, glowing with a soft reddish-brown foam that deepens over time. It has an inherent elegance, a whisper of tradition and craftsmanship that suggests it is not just a toy box but a piece of fine furniture that has gracefully agreed to serve more playful purpose. Walnut, with its deep chocolate hues and often dramatic swirling grain, would create a piece of profound beauty, a calm dark pool of order amidst the bright chaos of toys. The design of the storage itself is quiet philosophy. A bench with multiple cubbies and drawers, perhaps labeled with a picture of a bird, introduce a more nuanced lesson in categorization. Blocks here, animals there. It invites a child to participate in creation of order, to learn the quiet satisfaction of a place for everything. Some designs even incorporate open shelving below the seat, a place to display a few fairy treasures, acknowledging that some toys are too special to be hidden from view. Ultimately, a wooden toy storage bench is a small, profound declaration of intent to family life. It acknowledges the beautiful, necessary mess of childhood while offering a gentle framework of order. It provides a physical anchor in a room, a piece that is both deeply functional and deeply beautiful. Let me know which idea you found most compelling in the comments below. So until next time, happy decorating.